Okay, that for this short, I'm going to show you how you put decals on a model car. First, you cut out what you're wanting to put on, which is the license plate. Then you take it and you dip it in warm water for put it in there for like maybe 10 to 15 seconds, maybe. And then you take it and you slide it off. And make sure you put water where you're wanting to put it at, because then once it's on there, you can slide it around. Okay, so then you take it, slide it where you want it, and then you use like maybe a hobby knife or some metal thing or wherever you want, toothpick, and you take it, that's how you move it to where you want it. Sometimes you move it with your fingers. And there you have it. That's how you put decals on. So, please like, comment, subscribe, and comment down what you want me to build next, or look back in one of my old videos of like projects I got left that to build or going to build soon. Comment which one do you think I'm going to build next. So please subscribe.